Welcome to Kuthu's World.
One soldier of the Indian Air Force was killed in action and at least four others were injured when two vehicles, including one of the IAF, came under heavy terrorist fire in the Surankote area of Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. The two vehicles which were attacked were not bulletproof. One belonged to the Indian Air Force and the other to the Army, and they were on their way to collect supplies from a facility located atop a small hill. The road leading to the facility is a narrow one, according to officials, and passes through a dense forest.
According to military sources, two vehicles carrying the IAF personnel came under fire from terrorists around 6 p.m. when they were near Shah Sattar. The area falls between Surankote Sunitop and Mendar Gursai region in the border district. In the gunfight with terrorists, the air warriors fought back by returning fire. In the process, 5 Indian Air Force personnel received bullet injuries and were evacuated to the nearest military hospital for immediate medical attention. One air warrior succumbed to his injuries later. Following the attack, the Rashtriya Rifles unit launched a cordoned-off search operation in the area this morning. Security forces have set up checkpoints in Shashidhar area of Mendar and have bounded efforts to track the terrorists. As per sources, the attack was a combined operation of Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. Security resources said that last week a group of 7 terrorists crossed over to India. Their first failed attempt for an attack was Jammu and Kashmir's Udhampur, which was later carried out in Punch on Saturday. According to the sources, 2 military vehicles including one of the Indian Air Force were attacked in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. The convoy has been secured in Sunny Air Base in the general area. Further operations are owned by the local security forces. According to sources, search and cordoned-off operation was underway, and special forces of the army along with 37 RR and other units in the vicinity were involved. Sources said combing and search operations had been going on in the area between Mendar and Surankote for the past few days, following reports of militant movement. During the searches, militants opened fire on a vehicle carrying the Indian Air Force personnel retaliated. One of the trucks in the convoy bore the major brunt of the attack, with several bullets piercing its front and side windscreen in the firing by the terrorists, who were armed with AK assault rifles and are believed to have fled into the nearby dense forests. This is the third militant attack in Pir Panjal region, spread over Ajouri and Poonch districts in the last 2 weeks. A 40-year-old villager was killed after militants opened fired him near Shahdara Sharif area in Thanamandi on 22 April. The man Mohammad Rajik of Kunda Top was the brother of a territorial army soldier. On 28 April of village defence guard, Mohammad Sharif was killed in Basantagad area of Udhampur. On December 21, 4 soldiers were killed in a terror attack on their convoy on the Mughal road between Dera Ki Gali and Baflias in Poonch. That ambush came weeks after a major gunfight in the Dharmasal belt of Bajimala forest in Rajouri that left 5 army personnel, including 2 captains, dead. Poonch district is part of the Anantnag Rajouri parliamentary constituency, which is going to polls on 25 May. In view of the upcoming parliamentary elections in the area, security forces and police have already launched cordoned-off search operations to flush out the militants and its sympathizers. To stay up to speed with the latest news, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.